Welcome back to the channel, guys, and y'all already know who I am. And before I get to anything, press that like, hit that bell, keep your notifications on, because the Beane gang is dropping more games for 2021. And make sure y'all always go look on our Instagram, because we drop pictures every day on that one. And y'all know what's my name is. It ain't Mr. C no more, it's AKA what? Mr. Drip, man.
What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about, Willis?
Right now, we did the front room. Alright? After we did the front room, y'all see the videos. We did the downstairs washroom. Now, we are working on the kitchen, y'all. Right now it's a mess, man. Let me show y'all, man. It's a mess. Stuff is everywhere. Right now, I am edging around the whole kitchen. I did the white trim down there. I know y'all see it. Where I did the white trim. This right here is the table that is going against the wall. Like I said, just right now I'm edging. I had to patch a couple of holes. That's why I took the TV off that corner. But the TV is going right here on this wall. We changing out these curtains. This going all in the garbage. We're gonna have a table going across here. This middle piece is going in the garbage. We're gonna have a water container in the corner again. And right here is going to be I think the theme for the broom, to hang up the broom, the dustpan, and a mop on that wall. Like I say, the kitchen is a mess. I got all my tools in here. The TV mount, my caulk gun. Got all my tools, man, are ready to go in here. My paintbrush, I'm doing it right now. But yeah. I say that the paint I got from Home Depot. I got the paint from Home Depot. It ain't no bare paint. It's paint. It's paint and prime with it. And I'm getting the walls. I'm just cleaning the walls up. It's going back a gray, but I think it's going to be a lighter gray, not this dark gray that it is right now. It's going a little bit lighter. Same thing we did in the front room. We're going with that teal, gray, black. You know, same thing. We're going through the whole house like that. That teal, black, dark gray, light gray, everywhere, man. I say after we done, man, we probably ain't gonna spend more than probably to do the whole house, to remake over the whole house. I'm gonna give you my budget. My budget is I'm gonna say about $600 to $700 budget. That's just a budget. You know what I'm saying? So keep it tuned, man. I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing right now, man. Like I say, man, Mr. Drip never off. I go to work and I'm off on the weekend. I'm never off. I'm still working at home because I want my home nice for 2021. I want it glorified, so whoever come over is gonna say, oh man, he snapped. This is what I do on my holidays. I ain't never sitting down. I always got stuff to do, from the cars, the rims, the house. I'm doing changeover, makeovers. I'm doing everything. Alright? So, I'm gonna be right back with you guys.
A few moments later.
Alright, you guys, Mr. C, he is taking our table out, all the parts out the box. Y'all can see that we do not have the middle piece anymore. It is gone, you guys. Thank you, Jesus. Look at Miss Chrissy in the cut, looking all ratchet. Mama girl. Ah! So this is all the pieces, y'all. We even took the TV down for now. We got new curtains up, shelving up there. Hey, little girl. So, the kitchen is getting a new face, as all the other parts of the home, our house is getting done. This is getting one too, so I'm trying to figure out what is what. Let's see. Girl. What are you doing? Chrissy, say hi. Say hi to Beane Gang. Look, Mama. Say hi, Beane Gang. Hi. Look at her hair, y'all. Don't worry about it. It's going to get done tomorrow. Say hi. Hi, Mama. I'm not putting you on no camera, boy. You is naked. He think he finna get on the camera, y'all. I got Cheetos all on my face. But you guys, Mr. C has been working so hard today. I am so proud of him. Like I said, y'all get y'all men that can do everything, because it's 2021 and we ain't playing no games out here. So right now, y'all, he is looking at the instructions. I'm so happy I got him, because baby girl wouldn't know what to do. And I definitely don't like reading instructions, so we gonna go ahead and let Miss C go ahead and do this thing. Let you guys join in and watch. So keep it simple. Who is it? Who is it, Mama?
Oh, what the?
Look at me. Put that down. Who is it? Who is it, Mama? Now she don't want to say no, y'all. Now turn the camera on. Alright, you guys. So right now, Mr. C has put the screws on the legs of the table. What's that on, please? Girl, put that down. Who is it? Who is it?
What's that?
Hello?
Hello?
Chrissy? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What the fuck?
Who is it, Nappy Head? Y'all, she just can't help herself. All day she just been touching stuff. Touching stuff. Alright, you guys, Mr. C right now, he is putting the legs together. I'm like, that's gonna be real nice. Excuse the ashiness. Okay. Oh, and it's gonna connect. That long piece at the bottom gonna connect to that.
Yeah. Hey, baby girl.
She just can't help herself.
She can't.
Okay, well, he using the Gorilla Glue because the wood glue, so it was like stay on it permanently, like, you know, if anything happened to it, it won't nothing happen to it, because he's putting the wood glue on. She wants something in her hand. Chrissy, you funny. That's not lotion, baby. Crazy stuff. You want me to help my mom? That girl funny. No.
Come on, little lady. What you doing? You going at your hand? What's she holding out her hand for?
Who is it?
You watching me? You learning? You learn how to do it yourself?
She just want to be nosy.
You never need you don't have to.
Never need a man to do anything for you. Just call your daddy.
Nah, I ain't saying that.
What?
Nah, I ain't
Y'all
say
starving. Yeah. Yeah, she'll never need a man to do nothing for her again. Ain't that right?
I thought the table was long. Mom.
It's long enough.
Alright, move on, lady.
I'm holding this part now. Wrong way. Get out of here. Little girl. Out. Get out. Y'all see the struggle. Miss Chrissy won't let us be great. Put that down, young lady. Really, Chrissy? Put that down. She daddy little helper. But she in the way. Give it to mommy. No. Give it to me. Hey. Give it to mama. Really? You telling me no? Alright, guys. Alright, you guys. So as you can see, Miss Chrissy's still in the way. Whoa. And we have put the bottom piece, well, the top piece on. That is the bottom. That's the top piece, but it's at the bottom. So he has to put the screws and stuff on. That's what he's doing right now. And then, Grab, you don't move your big old head. Move your big old head. So he put the screws on now, and then he has to flip it over. So this girl just won't stay out the way. What are you doing? This is the finished look of the table. She just won't stop. It's nice. The color.